Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Yeah, hello everyone. Shivam Kumar from North. So today he will be sharing his views, his experience on life at college. So hi Shivam.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good, sir.
Okay, yeah, Shivam. So can you tell us all about your life at college, what you do, your experience and all? Can you share the views with the audience?
Okay, I think this question ये एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो कि हर एक एस्पिरेंट जानना चाहता है एक एग्जाम देने से पहले। तो सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हरियाणा इज सिचुएटेड एट 488 situated in 488 acres of land at Jatwali village of district Mahendragarh, that is in South Haryana. Uh, from here, CUH is running its academic operations. Mahendragarh is now a part of NCR, that is National Capital Region, and is around 125 kilometers away from Delhi. It is well connected with to Delhi through railways. And now I am in second year BTech Electrical Engineering. I have best ever experience of my life in my campus before lockdown. Actually, now whole world is online, but we still miss those days, those offline days. So let's come to the routine of mine. My classes timing was from 9 to 5. So I used to wake up at 8:30, and if I were late, then unfortunately I had to skip my breakfast, uh, which was actually a big deal. As अगर पेट खाली रहता था तो पूरा दिन खराब जाता था मेरा. Also, I can't miss my classes as the professors of government colleges are actually strict. वो proxy लगाने नहीं देते हैं. They won't permit you to the classroom if you are late. It was not a big deal if I miss my classes with my friends, but if I am alone outside the classes, then it feels like there is nothing in the world into the campus. So college doesn't matter. Actually, memories and friends actually matters, and that makes the campus life better. So first shift of my classes was from 9 to 12, and after another from 1 to 5. Yeah, 12 to 1 is the lunch time. Mess food was actually good. If I compare it with another government colleges, it was actually good. We also have a right to complain if the mess owner doesn't provide us a good meal. Okay, so let's come to the academics. So there are around 40 courses in CUH along with UG, PG, and PhD. Being a central university, that is a deemed university, we actually can face like too many types of students whose mind are similar to us into the campus. You can say like-minded students. We can also share our knowledge with them, and they also share with us. After 5 p.m., when all classes has over, I used to visit Central Library, so which was about 500 meters away from my hostel. Just issue a book and start reading it. I like reading, but except my course book. The view of library was actually good as CUH is surrounded by Aravalli Hills, Aravalli mountain range, and so we get a clear view of mountains. This was the main reason that I never had to worry about girlfriends. Actually, just kidding. So, being a central university, there are too many clubs. Student Students join accordingly to their field of interest, and the clubs really works hard for a single day, that is annual fest, and that is called as Spandan. Actually, annual day is called as Spandan in CUH. It is a 4-day fest. First 2 days is a central cultural event. Yeah, first 2 days is a cultural event, and next day is science day, and fourth and last day is convocation. So let's come to the fest. So whenever we hear the word fest, it engross ourselves into the thought of attractive lights, music, DJs, and also delicious foods. क्योंकि हम लोग मेस का खाना खाते हैं, तो वो एक दिन ऐसा होता है जब हमें कुछ अच्छा खाने को मिलता है. और number of competitions are organized for students. Professionals are also invited as a chief guest or maybe as a judge, so as to encourage more number of students to be a part of the fest. So Spandan is usually funded through central government. Students should have fun while learning. एक समय था जब college life was only about academics and students focusing on attendance, attending lecture and writing exams. In the modern time, they used to universities and colleges used to engage students and prepare them for real world. Colleges and universities organize college fest and encourage students to participate and showcase their talents. So students put their best, and actually the clubs and the theaters puts their efforts to make that entertaining and exciting. Okay, so and these multiple culture event, technical fest, celebrity, actually साइंस डे पे अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज कॉलेजेस के हैकर्स और इनोवेटिव माइंड्स के स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं और वो परफॉर्म करते हैं अपने अपने जो प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं उन्हें. सो these multiple competitions, partying with friends make you confident and job ready. These amazing college fests play a significant role in shaping the career of students. So college fest and activity actually provides you the opportunity to interact with peers and form new connection. इंटर कॉलेज एक्टिविटीज होते थे तो अलग अलग कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स आते थे, उनसे मिलते थे तो एक नया कनेक्शन बनता था. अगर मैं CUH से हूँ तो MDU रोहतक के स्टूडेंट आते थे, ये गुरुग्राम यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स आते थे, तो हम एक उन 4 दिनों में हम एक अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते थे और ये कनेक्शन काफी टाइम तक रहता है. So as it is a central universities, students are actually from different states. So most of these activities are group oriented, due to which students get to know about people from different cultural background and interest. These healthy interactions not only enhance your personal or communication skills of a student, but also prepares you for the real world. You will also, एक मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि मैं अगर बिहार से हूँ और मुझे अगर हरियाणवी सीखना है तो मैं एक अच्छा हरियाणवी भी बोल लेता हूँ, और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स साउथ से हैं तो उनके भी लैंग्वेज को मैं धीरे धीरे अडॉप्ट कर रहा हूँ. तो एक कनेक्शन जो होता है सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में, एक पूरे वर्ल्ड कह सकते हैं कि एक मिनी इंडिया कह सकते हैं इसे. सो जो फेस्ट होता है उसका लास्ट डे होता है कॉन्वोकेशन से. कॉन्वोकेशन इज वेरी स्पेशल डे actually in academic life of every student. After many years of hard work and dedication, they will be getting education degree, and they will say bye bye to the university. And it also the happiest moment of every student's life. And there are also some drops of water into their eyes. Every year people look forward for better performance. Clubs, theaters are also looking for better performances, better events and better foods. The crowd never disappoint with their enthusiasm, and they also just add fuel to the flame of that fest. So I would say that college life is nothing without this fest. और CUH में बस स्पंदन ही नहीं, स्पंदन तो एनुअल फेस्टिवल है, इसके अलावा AMI और अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स, टोटल 40 डिपार्टमेंट्स है, तो अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के कुछ ना कुछ इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम, ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम, ये सब होते रहते हैं. तो जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में था तभी लगभग फर्स्ट वीक तो नहीं, सेकेंड वीक से ही इंडक्शन और ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम्स स्टार्ट हो गए थे. उसमें अलग अलग एक्स्ट्रा कैरिकुलर एक्टिविटीज हमें करने थे. और फर्स्ट सबसे पहले तो हमारे जो फ्रेशर्स पार्टी हुए थे वो भी काफी वो मेमोरीज से भरा हुआ था. सो या दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माय कॉलेज लाइफ.
Okay,
So
Shivam,
at the
thanks
end,
for okay, okay, you just want to say something. Yeah.
uh, yeah, I would say that so subscribe to Unacademy Campus Ambassador channel to know about different campuses life and also to get the close review of your dream college. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks, Shivam. Thanks, Shivam, for sharing this, your experience at the college, and very nice to hear that. Hope everybody will like this. Thanks, Shivam.
Thank you, sir.
So now you got to know about Shivam Kumar College Fest, his life, his experience. So I think well got to know about him and his college. So well, thanks everyone for watching this video. Stay at home, stay safe. Our next or life at college experience video will be coming soon. So be there, subscribe our channel to get the notification of our videos. Till then, subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.